We're in the middle of a blizzard. Sorta. Anybody that lives in Norway or one of the Scandinavian countries like, that is not a blizzard! But this is a tiny little bit of snow. We'll be coming to our house. We're nearly falling down there, complete standstill. So this is like a normal kind of evergreen forest. I think that's the right word. What's the difference between a normal forest and evergreen forest?
An evergreen forest, that's fir trees. This is just a normal forest.
Damn it. I literally thought evergreen was just another name for a tree forest as opposed to a non-tree forest.
What,
Wait, so it's like covered in a blanket. It's covered in a blanket of snow now.
Beautiful.
It's super slippy. I wish I had a sled so I could slide down it, but I don't have anything. So I could have like bought a box or a ironing board or something like that. It's getting slightly a bit more like a.
I don't want to take photos anyway. It's so pretty.
Is it raining?
No, it's not.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm going to hold onto this camera a bit tighter because I bought that screw. It feels weird that the snow doesn't feel as nice. It's not as like fluffy, cuddly snow.
It's gone like into like rain snow.
Yes, this is.
Is it sleet?
Sleet falling from the sky. If you're wondering, I kinda remember this planet Mark, but not quite, because this is the forest, the crazy forest, that we came to when we caught Pikachu that time in Pokemon Go. And it's definitely getting heavier. Yeah. So we're trying to do these more like daily vloggy things. And tell me what you think. Whether you think we should do more like this kind of daily kind of stuff, or more like just random, or like actually like countdown stuff. It's really up to you.
We've kind of decided we want to get back onto it every day, so.
Yeah, it's up to you. So hope you enjoy this kind of stuff because there's going to be a lot more of it. And if you want, to do anything, then just say. It is actually quite cold now. Look what I'm wearing. Look what I'm wearing. Oh, let me just sort the. Look what I'm wearing. Actually, look, Laura, you do it. You.
Oh,
you
take a photo of you, but yeah, sure.
Just look what I'm wearing. Oh.
And he's still cold.
Yeah, I'm really cold. Look, but
it's so cold.
This hoodie, you can see, is really like furry, really cuddly. It's proper. You got this. It's one of the ones that we got in America, like from Florida vlog. But it's really, really cozy. But it's my hands. The rest of me is fairly warm, but the hands are cold. Oh.
You look cold. To be fair, your nose has gone red.
Oh. My trousers keep falling down. But you know what we haven't done in a while? Because it's all snow. Why don't you check what Pokemon you can get in Pokemon Go?
Oh.
Yeah. Again. Let's see, for a year and a half it's still worth playing Pokemon Go. Does anyone want to find out? My hands are really cold, literally. My fingers, I feel like icicles. I feel like ice block man.
You know what, we do have that. Oh, it's saying happy 2018.
What?
Look at that. We don't have any Pokeballs though, so if we do find anything, contact us. But I also can't be bothered to like find Pokeballs because that's way too much effort for a game that I'm not playing.
Yeah.
But we'll have a look.
We'll have a look, just in case there's any icy snow. Actually, no, snow Pokemon wasn't until Generation 6. Yeah.
Well, they've released up to Generation 3 or 4 now. I know they did a new release.
Did they?
Yeah, I saw it somewhere. I don't know where.
Oh, snow.
Snow. Look. There's a. What's that? Show me to AR it. Aha! Ooh. Look, Pokemon Go now has augmented reality. So you have to walk forward. Rosalia. Rosalia's mad at me.
What's
It ran away! Oh my god, they can flee now.
I thought they could always do that.
Not like that.
It's like you get the annoying bits of Pokemon, right? Where they're running away, the bit where you don't want, the bit where it's like trading and battling, there's still nowhere to be found.
Kind of reminds you of
Oh,
Bambi.
jeez. Jesus.
Fell down a hill.
This was a bad idea.
That's the best idea we've had all winter. Okay. Anyway, it kind of reminds me of Bambi.
What bit
You know
of
that
Bambi?
bit in the winter when they're like running from the hunters, and his mum dies. And he's running through.
Oh, so I thought you were trying to make a funny.
It's not funny.
I thought you were trying to make a joke.
That's still traumatised me as a kid.
What, Bambi's
It
mum
was
dies?
also,
The setup.
it was also my favourite film. So what does that say about like 3-year-old me? Like, yeah, Bambi, his mother dies. I love this film.
Like that.
So we're about to go down there, and it looks a bit steep, so...
Yeah. Okay. Already! Not even 2 seconds and I've already slipped.
This isn't even the steep
This is
bit
not good.
Are you ready for the steep bit?
Oh god. This is a bad idea.
Maybe we should have got on a butt slide.
Get on a what?
Butt.
Why do I want to butt slide down? Alright, you butt slide down first. I said I'll butt slide down first and you.
Yep. Right.
I don't want to hurt myself.
You'll be fine. It's not that far.
Ah, but I didn't mean to do that. My butt's cold.
You butts out as well. No!
Ah, so cold! Oh, my hands hurt. My hands hurt, my butt's cold. Bad idea.
That's the best idea we've ever had. Oh look, a frozen lake. That's a good place for photos.
We can go ice skating.
I'll pass. I'm going to come down and try and not fall. Not yet. Well, if I fall, it'll be
You don't
funny.
want to break it.
I'm sure I won't break it. Oh. Ah. Ah, boink.
Pretty much seamless.
Look at that lake.
Jeez,
We
nearly
did
fell over
definitely
again.
do a Pokemon Go thing in here once. Oh, it's not even frozen, it's not
Jeez.
frozen.
So it's just slightly cold. Instead of
It's
like,
a cold lake.
is that how anticlimactic these videos are? Instead of like a frozen lake, frozen ice lake, it's just a bit of a cold lake.
It's just a cold
Slightly
lake.
more colder lake than normal.
It's got snow around it, but it's not frozen, look. Maybe you can make it out on the video. Hey!
Got you.
You just threw a snowball at me.
It was less of a snowball, more of like a slush, leaky ball,
Slush bomb.
slushable.
Get your back. Ooh. Ooh. Here you go, Mike. Just come back now.
You didn't turn it on.
What?
You didn't turn it on.
Oh no, really?
Go back.
Oh, well, we can just do it from
Oh, go then.
Look
I
at
didn't think you did.
these trees, how much they're swaying. They're about to fall down. You see them, right the way up there. And
No,
starting to fall.
they're evergreen trees, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. You've still got
Not just
leaves.
regular green trees. They're ever, then forever
It
green.
means that evergreen means that they have leaves all year round.
So it's just not any normal forest, any normal tree.
Evergreen. Oh, it might be an evergreen forest actually, you might be right.
Hope I am. But they're cutting all these trees down.
There's like major deforestation, like look at all those. And they just left them as well, there's like a huge gap back there where we were before. And it's just...
So like, okay, well we cut these trees down. That's what we're doing, deforestation. What are we gonna do about these logs, these big things in the way, which are, if anything, more annoying than the trees? Oh, just leave them. That's fine.
No, they're not even doing anything. I don't think they're doing it to sell the land. They're pretty sure it's literally just... I don't even know, you know? It doesn't make sense.
If you're wondering why the camera's so jolty, it's because I keep slipping.
Camera doesn't really handle filming anymore either. Not having a good time with flash.
Let me see if I can kick off a big load of snow.
I think this would be a really good place to film a horror movie.
Let me try again. Kick up some that was really pathetic.
You just like pulled up a tree root.
Yeah. I'm deforesting the forest now as well.
Yeah.
Barbed wire, there's something weird and ironic about a barbed wire fence being in the snow, being knocked down in the snow. Oh, very cuddly. Oh, very weird and ironic. It's like, oh, barbed wire fence in the snow. Wait a minute. Imagine if, like, you know, like, it gets completely covered in snow and, like, children try to climb on that.
Yeah, that could really hurt someone.
Yeah. I mean, it's bad enough, like, touching a stinging nettle, let alone touching something that's going to rip your hand off. But hey, I'm not the safety police. You can't wrap them up in cotton wool, can you, Laura? Or bubble wrap.
No.
Can you? No,
No.
you can't. You know? Let them rip their hands off. Go on, let them rip their hands off. And that's the lesson for this video. So we got another these really super slippery steps now, and as a man, like all men would, I've set my wife down first. She's already tripped 3 times, but I have been fine. Don't worry, I have been fine. Well, I think the snow's gone now. Just look where we... No. It's so snowy. It's a blizzard. Oh, Jesus Christ.
You're gonna fall now.
Yeah, I'm gonna fall now.
I don't know why.
So, we're kind of out of the woods now, but it's still snowy. Hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Remember, like to subscribe to Planet Mark. Tell us if you like these kinds of things, whether you like countdowns or anything else that you want to see more of. Like it and share it around. It's been I want to say a blizzard of a time, but that really wouldn't work. Snow worries. It was a ice time. This is terrible. Anyway, follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog. Laura's personal Instagram at Laura Goodbrand. See you in the next one, guys. Bye 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 bye.